Ikaw ba ay nasa lugar kung saan ka nararapat? The answer to that question is oo. Dito ka talaga nakatadhana.
Magkakaiba man tayo ng mga profesyong tatahakin, magkaroon tayo ng isang layunin. Ang pagsilbihan ng ating bansa sa abot ng ating makakaya. Gawin natin ang lahat ng ating makakaya upang payabungin ang mga kakayahan na ipinagkatiwala sa atin at upang mabigyang karangalan natin ang LSPU.
Step into the wide open, sky is golden, feel your soul begin to sing, this is the start of everything. Step into the wide open, hearts in motion, let your soul begin to sing, this is the start of everything.
Let us build a republic of scientists, a nation of innovators, and a future where science, technology, and education serve humanity and uplift every Filipino.
This is the start of everything. This is the start of everything.
Be a good citizen. To be a good citizen, you need integrity. Wala itong kapalit. Gawin ang tama, especially when no one is watching. To be a good citizen, you need perseverance, persistence, and hard work. You make a mistake, get up, and keep going. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Perseverance, tiyaga, pagsusumikap. You can't see the end of the road, you keep walking until you get to it.
Ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man patungo. Ngunit ngayon, kay bilis maglaho ng kahapon.
You are not ordinary. You are needed. You are capable. You are part of a larger national story. The future of the Philippines will be built by great minds with great hearts. So today, do not see graduation only as an ending, but see it as a commissioning.
To the class of 2026, this ceremony marks your readiness to educate, inspire, and empower others. Enter the room and command attention with education, expertise, and empathy that you have learned from the Laguna State Polytechnic University. Raise that hand and step forward. Speak up and shape the future with leadership, integrity, professionalism, and innovation. The values your alma mater has endowed on you for the past years.
Sa ilalim ng bilog na buwan, mga tiyan natin walang laman. Ngunit kahit na walang pera, ang bawat gabi anong saya. Ngunit ngayon,
To the class of 2026, be empowered to achieve. Be inspired to lead. Help shape Asia's future. But above all, help shape Philippines worthy of your dreams.
laging isipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan.
If one day
someone in this gymnasium earns their license but chooses not to pursue the profession attached to it, I hope that decision is met with understanding rather than judgment. Sometimes, life leads us in a directions we never expected. And sometimes, our deepest dreams are found beyond the path we studied for. So if you see us happy, at peace, and thriving in a different path, I hope you understand that nangarap kami ng malalim.
By the virtue of the authority from the LSPU Board of Regents, I now declare you graduates of Laguna State Polytechnic University and confer upon you your degrees and certificates with all their associated rights, privileges, and responsibilities. Congratulations.
Lahat ng bagay ay mayroong hanggan.
Now, as you step out into the world, to work, to serve, to build life on your own, remember that you carry the name Laguna State Polytechnic University and the values this community taught you.
Minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan.